Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Standout looks, standout capabilities, so you can stand out on the job site. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, turbo V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book explains, whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy duty, you will likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy duty truck. Chevy, 100 years of icons. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Hall Automotive, more cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads